for you, what was Danny Ai's legacy in the UAP?
I think right there and then makita mo na he was a complete player. I think yun yung legacy na parang ito yung big man na gusto mo na kompleto. Shooting, footwork, the dedication, yung striving to be better all the time. You could see it na mayroon siyang hindi titigil. So, andun you could already see na ito yung epitome of a big man, of a complete big man, na naging standard na, if you look at the UAAP in the past, 30 years, has there ever really been another Danny Ai?
I think yung impact ni Danny felt sa UAAP because lalo na before, NU was considered cellar-dweller. When Danny came to NU, hindi mo na pwede, sure win, wala na sure win. You had to prepare and you had to play well. Kung hindi, matatalo ka sa NU.